Hi, this is Scott with Spring Hill Fox. Welcome back. And today I want to talk about Cellular. Before we get going, can you please give me a like and a share and hit the bell?
So, are you ready to take your online business to new heights? Introducing Cellular, the ultimate solution to effortlessly launch your course, agency service, or any purchase PLR or resale rights product in just 7 minutes. The Cellular dashboard is intuitive and user-friendly, making it a breeze for anyone regardless of their technical expertise to set up and manage their online business. Let's talk about course creation. Cellular provides a powerful yet simple course builder that allows you to create engaging, interactive lessons in minutes. Add videos, quizzes, assignments, downloadable resources effortlessly. Customize the look and feel of your course to match the brand, and you're ready to go. Launching your course is just a few clicks away. Cellular provides built-in marketing tools enabling you to attract, engage, and convert your audience into paying customers. Maximize your revenue potential with upsells, cross-sells, and coupon codes. Engage your customers. If you're running an agency or offering service, Cellular has converted as you covered too. Easily showcase your services, provided clients with details, information, and manage bookings seamlessly. The integrated calendar and booking system ensures you stay organized and never miss a client appointment. So what are you waiting for? Join the Cellular revolution today and unlock the online business potential. Say goodbye to tech hassles and monthly fees forever. Visit the website. I have links down below, and I will see you in the next video.